Welcome to Everything English with John, the #1 place for YouTube English lessons. I'm John, and today we're going to talk about common expressions in English. Bend over backwards. Beth and Erica are mothers. Erica wants to prepare for her son's birthday, so she asks Beth for help. Hey Beth, can you help me organize a surprise party for my son? He's going to turn 4 years old next week. Sure, can we do it on the weekend? Of course. I have a few ideas and I want to make it the best birthday ever. It's going to be a lot of work. No worries, I'll work on the decorations and events. Thanks a lot. You know, you're a great friend. Don't worry about it. You bent over backwards for my son's birthday, so the least I could do is return the favor. Quiz time. What does bend over backwards mean? To make a big effort? To bend your body in a strange way? To turn something upside down? To prepare for a party? Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's A, to make a big effort. Teaching moment. Erica asked Beth to help her prepare for a birthday party. Beth agreed because she remembered that Erica did something similar for her. She made a big effort and bent over backwards. Examples. The customer service representative went above and beyond and bent over backwards to resolve my issue. My parents always bent over backwards to give me the best life possible, sacrificing their own needs and wants in the process. The hotel staff bent over backwards to make sure our stay was comfortable, from providing extra pillows to serving a complimentary breakfast. Vocabulary extras. To turn some years old. To become a new age. The least I could do. The minimum amount. To return the favor. To do something for someone who helped you. To go above and beyond. To make an extra effort or do extra work. Thanks for watching Everything English with John. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more information or private classes, please visit my site, everythingenglishwithjohn.com.